Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of the yesterday's newspaper, yes, Saturday, December the 2nd, 2023. It's actually today Sunday, and on Sunday we don't receive newspaper, so I've decided to solve the additional of the weekend edition, yes, the Saturday edition. I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3 stars, 4 stars, the binary, and it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 755 Wow, not 555 755. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's single box, there's single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2? Here I see a dual box contains the 1 and 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes contains the 1, the 2, and the 3? No triple boxes here. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. For example, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2 here. Here another 1, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box. You have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one. This box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 4 here. Alright. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape, the L shape. Rotated. Let me draw this one here. When you see the T shape, sorry, not the T shape, the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Then. How about these two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. And these two boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. One box left in this area for number 1. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated the 5 here. So the 5 should be there. One box left in this area for number 4. Alright. This box can be 2. This box can also not be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 3. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes, and there. These are 3 boxes. So around the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, those two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadrat box should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box should be there. 1 and 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 2. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These are 3 boxes. Can be a 4. These two boxes can be 3, and those two boxes can be 3. So the 4 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 3, 4 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be 3 anymore. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for 3 in this area should be there. Then let me see. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. That means that these two boxes can be a 1, those two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left with 1 in this area should be here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Then. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4. We have a double 4 there. And can be a 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those. Okay. And now, well, need to think. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 5. If we place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 and goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 is left in this area for number 3. These two boxes around the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. Another pair in this area should be the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 3 or a 1. But it can be a 3 anymore. We have a 3 here. So it should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Well, and now, well, I need to think, 4, 3, this box can be a, well, this box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the 5 could be everywhere here. Alright. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, and now, overlook this one. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Overlook this one. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes, and there. Well. But we have still troubles here. Need a 5 here. Cannot place the 5 here. Well, we have a 1 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. So if we eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there, and 1 box left in this area for number 5. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And the final number in this area for number 3. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you, cannot be a 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars. No, it's a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Jigsaw Sudokus, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also playlists for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku, and also for the killer Sudoku, all kind of puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. We'll meet again in the evening, with the Samurai Sudoku, aka Quintuplet. Until then, bye bye for now.